Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use Delta Executor on Windows using Mumu Player. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to visit the official Delta Executor website. Type Delta Executor on Google search engine, hit enter. You will be able to navigate to the Delta official website. Select Android, scroll down, click on download. Scroll down again. Here you'll be able to see download again. Click on download button. Now, as you can see, an APK file will start to download on your PC. Now, what you have to do is open a new tab and type in Mumu Player. You will be redirected to the top search result, which is the official website of Mumu Player. Select that, click on Download for Windows. Now, it will start to download another file on your PC. You have to wait just a bit. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. Now, what you have to do is open your File Explorer and double-click Mumu Player to install Mumu Player. Click on Install Now. Once the Mumu Player has been installed, simply click on the play button to launch your new Android device emulator. Click on Allow. Now you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now simply what you have to do is open your File Explorer, and here you'll be able to see your Delta Executor APK file, which you have downloaded earlier. Simply drag and drop the file into the emulator. As you can see, it is now installing the APK file. Now the file has been downloaded and installed on my Mumu Player. Simply select Launch Roblox. Click on Allow Access to manage all files. Click on Sign In. Now enter your username and password. Now I'm signed into my Roblox account. Now once you launch your Roblox game, you will see this kind of interface. Simply click on Receive Key. Now what you have to do is open your web browser and click on Paste button to paste in the key that automatically copied from the Roblox game. Hit enter. It will take you to this page. Click on Continue. Close the window. Click on Continue again. Now, to get your Delta key, you have to complete some steps in order to receive your key. So, as you can see, it is asking me to watch a video and subscribe. So I will click on the link. It will take me to a YouTube page. Now, once my step 1 has been completed, I have to click on Complete and Get Reward. Once both of my steps are completed, now I can simply click on the Unlock Content button. Now it is creating my key. Click on Continue. Close the window. Click on Continue again. Now this is my key. Simply I have to click on the Copy button and go back to Roblox. Now in the Enter Key section, I will click here and paste in my key by clicking on Paste button and click on Continue. Now I have successfully downloaded and used Delta Executor on Windows using Mumu Player. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.